Consider my love the days when we were together so young. Our love was enough. Remember
1974, the Lord put me on this planet with the plan to be as hard as granite. Calm spirit, no panic at the childbirth. Verse read, mother shaped my head with a kiss. Damn, he got a strong grip as I suckled. My father's knees buckled from the joy. Luck would have it that this bouncing baby boy would gravitate towards being poetic MCing in the future. But for now, on the nipple like a hookah. Fast forward, play games and duke a bit. The years progress, mess with cats that dip and dabbled in chess. Less strategical but meaningful. Growing was completed so fast. Third grader doing fifth grade math. Knew the library staff and half the books I read shed light. Damn, those Arabian Nights was influenced by love that be of my birthright.
consider my love the days when we were together so young. Our love was enough. Remember
Sundays at church, watching the preacher work the pulpit. Sit next to mom, pay attention or you'd get pinned against the wall. Times were serious, but love conquered above sponsors of hate. So we had to relate in those days. Hip-hop was ill, conforming to the whack, performing was unreal. And listen, that's real. We killed for a chance to go dancing while pop music was hot and new. Boys would pop and groove with high tops and loose shoes to hip-hop that incorporated jazz and blues. In high school, arts was plentiful. Magnetic programs, romance was synthetic. Deaded in a minute, so much love, but love, I'm trying to get it through. Roads and streets, avenues and creeks. Seek what my heart desires, find tracks that meet. Complete now, so
consider my love the days when we were together so young. Our love was enough. Remember
those family functions, no interruptions, buzzing the dozens on kinfolks, mainly your cousins. It's all love and good spirit. Used to hear it from the older generation, chasing them dreams and stacking cream for all of us. We used to boost a bit, young kids with the itch that had them cool fits and fly kicks, Nike dunks, California raised, so the hustle was ingrained from day one. Fake ones that front and give it up. Childhood was good, from Stockton to Inglewood. Boss track, in fact, was where the foundation lies at. Now Mack trucks back up to speed the track up. I plead, don't crack up the dirt before we act up. From the foot to the brain, impact cuts the soul deep. A whole heap, but Pete, we still gain. Things have changed, but memories stayed the same. This brave heart parts with
consider my love